Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, I'm SUA and I'm here to make your day. So as you have read by the title, today's video is going to be a little bit different than the videos I do on my channel. So today's video is going to be like a tutorial types or how I wear the hijab when I'm going outside or when I'm going to a function or something like that. And also I wear the hijab whenever it's necessary. It's not always, and I wear it according to the function or the occasion or the attire I'm wearing. So yeah, from now on you will be seeing me wearing the hijab more frequently, and these are the styles which I'm gonna be wearing it in. And also the hijabs I usually wear is without an undercap, mostly on YouTube. As I have done my research, most of the hijab tutorials are with the undercap, but I have done it without the undercap. And also most of them are just a short type hijab without a chest coverage. So I have done few with the chest coverage as well. So yeah, that's what we're going to do in today's video, and let's get started. So first we'll be needing few pins like these ones and a hijab pin or a safety pin. I tie up my hair into a bun and clip all the fringes into place so that there is no hair peeking out of the hijab. Starting with the first one, so I'm using this two-sided stole and I fold it into a half so that I can use both sides depending on what I'm wearing, and also it's easier to put on the hijab when folded. I take the other end of the hijab and just tuck it or pin it on my shoulder so that it covers my chest, and then adjust it properly and how you want it to look. Now the second one. You need to have one short and one long side again like the previous one, and fold the front part a little so that you get a pointed tip in the front. This one is just so simple, easy and effortless. Moving on to the third one, we'll need to fold the front part like we did in the previous one, and this one will have two equal sides. Here, instead of pinning it on your head, you either tuck it or pin it on your shoulders. You can overlap it like this, or else if it doesn't look good, you can tuck one side from under and another side over. Or you can pin one side on your head as well. So here this part looks a little bit clumsy, so I'm trying to fix that to my satisfaction. So you just need to play with this one according to your satisfaction, and it will look perfect and easy to do. For this one, cause it's a slippery material, we are not gonna fold it in the start, and we're gonna have one short and one long side. The short side, we're gonna just tuck it or pin it on the shoulder and then adjust it accordingly. The fifth and the last one, for this one we're gonna be taking a really flowy material and it's gonna be one short and one long side again. Fold it in the front like we did for the other ones. So this style is mostly worn on abayas and it also gives volume to your hijab. It doesn't have chest cover, so it's only the hijab without the chest cover. So that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you like the hijab styles I showed you today. So these are the 5 different styles of hijab I usually wear. One of them is the one which I usually wear almost always because it's really convenient and really effortless. So as I said earlier, these hijab styles are without an undercap and it's just with the plain hijab which I showed you. So if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel. Let me know what more type of videos do you want me to do. Also, let me know in the comments below if you want me to try out few other hijab styles. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel below. You have to just click one button to subscribe to my channel and it will mean a lot to me. The statistics of people who are watching my videos without subscribing is really huge to the ratio compared to the people who are subscribed. So please do subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me and it will help me grow. Also, you can go follow me on my Instagram where I post most of the reels and most of the sneak peeks of the YouTube videos which I put over here. I'll attach my Instagram link in the description below and also the username above here. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in another video. Bye.